The Vivo Y90 comes with Halo Full View display, which gives you an immersive viewing experience with a near bezel-less 6.22-inch HD Plus screen. The phone is available in black and gold color. The phone comes with a 2 GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also comes with 16 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256 GB that lets you store all your pictures, videos and music to access them anywhere on the go. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo Y90 features a 6.22-inch Halo Full View display with 88.6% screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space that provides an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with Fast Face Unlock that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has an 8-megapixel primary camera for high-quality pictures and 5-megapixel front camera for capturing all your selfies. Powered by Android Oreo V8.1 operating system with MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. This phone is powered by a 4030 mAh lithium-ion battery with Vivo's exclusive smart power management system to further extend battery life. The box includes handset, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, protective case, protective film and user manual. The Vivo Y90 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.